In this video, I'll show you how to load bet code on OneXBet app. This is very easy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find the video helpful. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional OneXBet account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. So if you log into your OneX account and want to load a bet code, here's exactly what you should do. The first thing, click on Bet Slip. And then you're going to take the last option that says load bet slip. Another name for bet slip is bet code. So you click on it and then you paste the code that you have and then you upload. And the code is going to appear here and you can go ahead and bet. And that's how to bet or load bet code on OneXBet app. It is very easy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.